What if your headphones could connect to almost anything? Your phone, TV, or even that old airplane seat jack, and then beam the audio to any Auracast gear nearby. Today we're diving into the JBL Tour One M3 and the feature that could change how you travel. We'll explore sound quality, ANC, calls, battery life, and whether the $449.95 price tag makes sense. Oh, and there's a twist you won't want to miss. In the box, the Tour One M3 cans, the JBL Smart Text transmitter, a hard case, USB-C, and 3.5mm cables, and the quick start guide. Power on, slide into pairing, and you can go straight to LDAC for high-res wireless. On paper, it sounds great. But in real life, different story. The ear cushions are super soft, the seal is tight, and the gesture controls feel snappy. Volume swipes, tap to pause, long press for ambient modes. Think of it like this. Comfort plus control equals keep them on longer than you meant to. Here's where it gets fun, like Wi-Fi dropping mid-meeting. The JBL Smart TX is a universal Bluetooth transmitter with a touch display. Use USB-C for digital sources or the 3.5mm jack for analog. Flights, PCs, TVs, gym gear, anything. Then broadcast via Auracast so multiple headphones can join in. Movie night, 2 headsets. No fights. It runs up to 18 hours and pairs instantly with the M3 using low latency wireless. So what do we know? 40mm mica dome drivers, JBL Pro sound tuning, and a built-in DAC for true lossless over USB-C. Translation: clean highs, balanced mids, and a bass lift that's present without muddying vocals. Wireless folks, LDAC pushes tilde, 3 times the data of standard Bluetooth, so your 24-bit tracks breathe. Then there's JBL, Spatial 360 with head tracking. Specs are one thing, but user experience? A whole different game. The soundstage feels anchored. Turn your head and the audio stays put, which makes movies and gaming feel way more natural. 8 mic true adaptive noise. Canceling 2.0 listens in real time and flips the phase to hush the chaos. Street noise, office chatter, even a bit of wind. Gone, or at least dramatically tamed. Need awareness? Ambient Aware lets you dial in how much life you let through. Quick chat at the cafe? Double press for talk through and your playlist ducks while voices pop forward. Here's the deal. If you care about isolation on flights, go ANC. But if safety and awareness matter more on commutes, these transparency tools are the move. Side by side, the difference is clear. 4 beamforming mics with AI cleanup make calls sound, well, like calls should sound. Less echo, less background, more you. They're Zoom certified, and in the JBL Headphones app, you can fine-tune mic sensitivity, tweak how much of your own voice you hear, voice aware, and customize EQ. Personify 3.0 walks you through a fit and environment check to tailor the sound to your ears. Trust me on this one. Spend 5 minutes in the app and you'll unlock that "oh, there it is" clarity. Battery anxiety? Not with the Tour One M3, up to 70 hours playback, or 40 with ANC. 5 minutes of charging gets you 5 hours of play. Paired with the Smart TX's 18-hour tank, long trips are easy. Final take: elite ANC, rich sound, true wired lossless via USB-C, and Auracast sharing make the JBL Tour One M3 a win. On a budget or don't need the transmitter, cheaper picks exist. Travelers and tinkerers, chef's kiss. Smart TX, killer feature or nice to have? Drop your thoughts below and don't forget to like, subscribe, and ring the bell.